Today's short show is an update on planting late season cucumbers. This is Dave with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what's going on. If you're interested in growing nutrient-dense foods and exploring permaculture in an urban setting, you are in the right spot. Make sure that you have subscribed so you can get updated anytime I update a video or anytime I put out any new content. All right. Thanks for watching, and here we go. All right, these are the Bragger cucumbers. As you can see, remember I said you plant a fair amount of seeds so that you can thin them out, and it's easier to get a crop when you thin the plants out than it is to get a crop when you don't plant the seeds at all. So as you can see, I planted quite a few seeds, and some of them have grown a lot better than others. So we have the option of pulling the little ones out. I'm going to let them go a little longer because I've had some problems with birds or something coming in here and moving the mulch around and getting my cucumbers messed up. So these are the Braggers from Burpee. They're just starting to take off, really, and I did put a wire over here to keep the birds or chipmunks or squirrels, whatever was getting at them. So I have lunch boxes up here on the other end of this trellis, and I planted quite a few of them, and because of the birds or whatever, there's only one that really made it, but that one is looking really good. So I don't think I'm going to even try to replant or anything. I'm just going to go with this one. Hopefully it's ready to start taking off. I think it really is. Alright, so like I said, stay tuned. Make sure that you subscribe and click the bell so you get updated anytime I update any of my videos, but especially on this cucumbers. Look at this basil, doesn't that look nice? It's got some blooms. I cut most of the blooms off so it would continue to bush out, and it certainly has. Alright, so that was a short show. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you again real soon. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.